Hi guys, welcome again to Learning TWI, the fun way TWI Junior Pro. My name is Kwesi and I'm with Nati.
Hello.
And for today we're going to Montecasino, right?
Yes. We're going to show you our favorite hangout spots in Montecasino and also the nice places. I guess there's Little Italy in Montecasino. So
Yep.
we'll show you.
And while I'm there, I'll try and do a few translations. Well, Nati might ask me a few things and I'll actually translate that into TWI. So guys, we'll see you when we get there.
Yes.
Cheers.
Bye. We are off to Montecasino. So we're joining the highway. We're going to off-ramp at William Nicol. So stay tuned. Okay, so we are arriving this part of Montecasino. So this is the turn to Montecasino. As you can see, there's the logo of Montecasino. Okay, so we will see you at the entrance. Love the architecture here. That's the parking and it's so green. I like that. Okay, so we are at one of the entrances to Montecasino. Okay, so we're not just going to we're not going to play slots. We are actually going to do other things.
So we finally got into the first entrance number 4, I think. And we're going down. We'll show you guys the shops as we get there. Finally within Montecasino. Obviously we can't record the casino part, so we show you guys all the other places as well as where we're gonna sit to eat. So we have this Ferrari on display. Now that's a beautiful car.
Anyone can win a Ferrari. That's the step.
So these are the steps to enter the competition to win this beautiful Ferrari. That's an artificial sky, but it looks real.
We are actually outside, but inside.
With the artificial sky.
Food court. Where there is food, there is me.
So we are by the food court now. It's generally big. It has almost everything one would want.
Yeah.
Decided to go get some food at Spur. So what do you want to eat?
I want chicken wings, not a buffalo wings, because buffaloes don't have wings.
All right, cool. I think I'm gonna have steak. I haven't had steak in a while.
Ooh, I think I'm
T-bone.
gonna combine.
Combine? And have what?
Steak and wings.
Is there such a combo? All right, I'm just going to have a T-bone steak. That's it. All right, guys, we'll see you guys when the food comes.
So I have one question for you. I'm busy drinking hot water with lemon, and I want to know how do you say I want hot water with lemon, or how do you say hot water with lemon?
All right, cool. So hot water with lemon is nsuohyeɛ ankaatwadeɛ wɔ mu. So nsuohyeɛ is hot water. Is that. So hot water that, which is nsuohyeɛ ankaatwadeɛ is lemon. Womu is inside it. So basically hot water with lemon inside it. So if you want to say I want hot water with lemon, it would be Mepɛ nsuohyeɛ ankaatwadeɛ womu. That's it. Finally, the food has arrived. I got steak, chips, and onion rings.
And I got...
And my beautiful wife got...
buffalo wings.
Yes.
Chips, onion rings, and nice sauces for the wings.
Yay. And you like what you got?
And yes, I like what I got. But I want to ask, how do I say, please pass me the salt in tree?
In tree. All right. So please pass me the salt in tree would be Mepawokyew, nkyene. So Mepawokyew is please. Mami is basically give me. Nkyene is salt. No is that specific salt. So again, Mepawokyew, nkyene. Or you can say Mepawokyew, nkyene no mami, which is please. Fa is take. So basically Mepawokyew fa is please take. Nkyene no mami is basically take the salt for me. So that's it. So it's Mepawokyew nkyene no mami or Mepawokyew nkyene.
How do you say the food is delicious?
The food is delicious in tree is Aduane no ode. Aduane is food. No is that specific food. Ede is it's nice, it's delicious. So again, Aduane no ede.
It's someone's birthday, so they're singing to them. Yay! I'm done eating. So, how do you say I'm done eating in tree?
So I'm done eating, right? I'm done eating is Madidi awie. Ma is I am. Didi is eat. Awie is finished. So basically, I'm done. Well, I'm finished eating, which is roughly I'm done eating. So I'm done eating in tree is Madidi awie.
Okay, since now we are done eating, how do I say let us pay?
Let us pay in tree is Yɛntua. Yen is us. Tua is pay. So Yɛntua is let's pay. But technically speaking, that's also let us pay. So let us pay in tree is Yɛntua. So we are now done with the food, and the food was delicious. So we are busy exploring Montecasino. It's that little girl's birthday. Oh, that's so cool.
This is my favorite.
So Nati used to work here at Boo, but now she's moved on.
I worked there for a day. Oh no, my favorite bookstore is closed. You could go in there, it had so many books. You could go in, drink coffee, and find a little reading nook where you could read a nice book. But now it looks like it's closed, so it's very sad. It's very sad, very, very, very sad.
Alright guys, this is it for now. We'll catch you guys when we get home. We are leaving. Hi guys, we're finally back home and exhausted. I hope you guys enjoyed the trip to Montecasino. And guys, remember, right, if you like the content of the channel, please click on the like button, please click on the subscribe button, and please click on the bell button for future notifications. And guys, please let anyone who wants to know what TWI is about or wants to learn TWI come to this channel, and hopefully when I go through the content, they'll actually enjoy it enough to actually subscribe to the channel. Guys, with lots of love from Kwesi. Bye. Oh, by the way, there are nice pictures of Montecasino at the end of this. So hope you guys enjoy it. See you next week. Bye.